We guide you through how to copy another Shopify store in quick guide. So first, open the Shopify store you want to copy and inspect its theme by right-clicking and selecting View Page Source to check if it's using a free theme like Dawn or a premium one. This helps you recreate the same layout inside your own Shopify dashboard. Next, create your own Shopify store, go to Online Store, then Themes, and customize a similar theme by matching the header style, announcement bar, feature collections, product grinds, and footer layout. To copy products, manually add them by going to Products, click Add Products, then copy the product title structure, description format, pricing style, variants, and image angles by never copy protected images or copyrighted text directly. Instead, rewrite descriptions in your own words for apps and functionality like upsells, reviews, or bundles. Scroll to the store's product page, identity features like sticky add to cart or review widgets. Then search for similar apps in the Shopify App Store and install them on your store. Finally, replicate branding elements like color scheme, typography, and spacing inside the theme editor to achieve a similar look while keeping your store unique and compliant.